Super Cat Speed. Whoa! Almost ran you over. You probably thought it was the cat car. Nope, just good old Catboy practicing his super cat speed. Pretty cool, right? Well, I guess not when I almost knocked you. Sorry. It's great being the quickest, but there's more to super cat speed than just being fast.
Ready to fire my metal friend?
Yes, Master. But what does it do?
Oh, you'll see.
When I see a nighttime villain up to no good, sometimes I just want to rev, and go, go, go! Super cat speed! But if I relax and take a breath, I can plot the best course of action. Super cat speed! Now that's what I call a speedy recovery. I wonder what this thing even does.
The non-stop dance invention.